So the first person cured of HIV was called Timothy Ray Brown. In 2009, this was reported. So Timothy was HIV positive and then diagnosed with leukemia. And for his leukemia, he required a bone marrow transplant. And so when you do a bone marrow transplant, you basically kill all of the white blood cells in a person and then you replace them with white blood cells from somebody else. So they killed all of his white blood cells, including all the cells that contained HIV. But the really clever thing is they gave him some cells from a donor who had a specific mutation called CCR5 delta 32. So if you remember, I said that CCR5 is actually one of the proteins on cells that the virus binds to get into cells. And people with this delta 32 mutation don't make any of this protein. They seem to be perfectly healthy, but it means that HIV can't get into their white blood cells. So they managed to find a donor that was a bone marrow match that also had this mutation. And so they gave back cells that couldn't be infected with HIV. So if there was still any HIV in his body, it didn't have any new cells to infect. And it worked in this person.